Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making crossrib roast. Let's do it. So I cut the roast into like steak pieces. So we'll just get those seared up. And if you want to get a good sear on the meat, always pat it dry. That definitely helps. Salt and pepper on both sides. Pepper, salt. Get it on some medium high heat on my Ninja Foodi here. Oil into the pan. Heat the oil up. Season both sides. Get those seared up. Looking for a nice sear, okay. That's a pretty good sear, okay. Other side. Nice color on the sear, okay. Pretty good sear on both sides now. See the nice sear. So I'm gonna chop some veggies, onions, carrots. So I got a cup of water, kind of like a beef cube. So we're gonna toss that in there. Package of beef cubes, toss that in there. Turn this back on. Medium high heat. Heat the oil up. Take our veggies, toss them in the pot. Pepper, salt, saute the vegetables up, scrape the bottom a little bit, yeah, all good flavor there. Just saute the veggies for a few minutes, and grab some thyme, chop some thyme, toss that in with the veggies, you can kind of sweat them out a bit, you'll smell them, quite nice, okay, so a few minutes sauteed. We're gonna deglaze with our stock a bit here. Stock in there, get all the flavor off the bottom of the pot. Most of it went into the veggies, so perfect. And we're gonna pressure cook this now. Just dumping in a bit more water in there. Grab our steaks, toss them back in. Good amount of water. Dump that in there. Any juices, dump it in. A couple crushed garlic cloves in there. Now we're gonna pressure cook. We're gonna pressure cook on high for just over 52 minutes. Just letting the pressure out, and we'll have a look at our roast. Take it off, how it looks. So crossribs are great when they go on sale because they're probably not as fattier as the chuck, but they're definitely quite a nice roast to slow cook and braise. Look at that. Yeah, I went to grab it and then just fell right apart. What you want? Crossrib roast in a Ninja Foodi. There it is. Show you how tender this thing is. The roast here, peel it apart. For a gravy, I'm just gonna grab all the goodness, dump it into the pot, the Mr. Gravy. Meat in there, take that out. I just like to press all the veggies, all the goodness out. Get it on the stove here, kind of medium heat. Good. Now, just want to taste it. Gravy, yeah, need some help. Better bouillon, so toss a little bit of that in there to help with the gravy. Some real beef flavor in there. I'm not sure how much I need, but showing you how to thicken the gravy. Cornstarch slurry in there, thicken up the gravy, get that in there, bring it back to a boil, and cook it out for a few minutes, and more of the cornstarch slurry in there. Give it a good mix. Oh yeah, hopefully should do it. Cook the cornstarch out for a few minutes. A little bit of pepper. Definitely doesn't need salt. Gravy's done. Showing how to serve. Good amount of mashed potato. Nothing fancy. It's home cooking. A little bit of roast beef. Yeah, we can keep some onions on there. That's beef over here. Oh, another little piece. Oh, what the heck. Beautiful. Gravy. Nice gravy on there. All over. Give my wonderful dinner a try. Give my dinner a try. Beef gravy and mashed potato. Crossrib is like almost melt in your mouth. So good. Such a nice fall home style dinner. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And when you get a chance, do make a crossrib roast. They're quite good. If you slow cook them or pressure cook them, it's very good. Doing all those things really helps out my channel when you like, comment, or subscribe. What it does is it'll send the video out to more people. Do those things. Helps me out. Thanks again, and this is my dinner. Bye.